I was drowning in the ocean, fighting for every breath. My arms grew weaker and I thought this was the end. But then I felt a hand grab mine, pulling me up. A man with calm eyes said, "Hold on, don't let go." His voice was steady, giving me strength. I clung to him until I blacked out. When I woke up in the hospital, I asked the nurse, "Where is the man who saved me?" She looked confused. "You were found alone. No one pulled you out." I couldn't believe it. I remembered his touch, his words, his presence. A week later at home, I found an old photo in my mom's drawer. My heart skipped. "Mom, who is this man?" Tears welled in her eyes. "That's your grandfather. He passed away before you were born." I froze. The man who rescued me in the ocean was my grandfather, my guardian angel.